Welcome back guys into another brand new tutorial of how to download fonts for your PC. It is simple process for downloading fonts for your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, for downloading your fonts, go on the browser and go on the google.com and just type here dafont.com. It is the official website of dafont.com. You can download the fonts and install it in your computer. So click on the dafont.com's official website and you can hear a lot of fonts. You can also search here. You can also search here the fonts. So just like this is my favorite font. This is my favorite font. I have downloaded it and installed it, but I am choosing a new one for downloading and installing it in our computer. So let's search for some fonts here. Here you can see gaming font. The Minecraft game has this font. You can also download various fonts of games. Let's search for gaming font of GTA V. Which font they have used in the GTA 5. So Rise Down, I think the name of this font is Rise Down. Translating, okay. So let's search here. Yes guys, you can see here the font of GTA V used in the game is Price Down font. So let's download it. Click on this sign of download. And here is my IDM. It will download for your PC here in this left corner. So let's download it. And it is a very little file of in 1 MB or 500 KB. So it is downloaded. So let's open the folder and check that file. You can see here the file is in the RAR. So let's open it with the WinRAR archiver. Let's extract these files to the, where should we extract it? Okay, let's extract it to the F folder, F drive. We have extracted this font here, Price Down. So let's install the Price Down font here. Double click on this font. You can see the font names, means the font is, you can see the font here, and we have to install it. So click on the install button here on the up, and it will install. You can see it has installed in 1 second. Let's check it out. Notepad. We are checking this font in the notepad. Font. Let's search the font here. Yes, you can see the font of GTA V, which is Price Down. Click on OK. You can see the font of GTA V. Let me You can see the font. It is of GTA 5, used by the others of the GTA 5. So guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.